How to backup and restore on Niagara Launcher. Long press on any empty space. Tap on the option Niagara Settings. Once you do that, tap on the option Advanced. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option Backup and Restore that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, tap on the option Create Backup. Wait for a while. The backup will be created. Tap on the option OK. In order to restore, tap on the option Backup and Restore again. Tap on the option Restore Backup. Tap on the option Open Download Folder. Now you'll have to choose the backup file that you would like to restore. It will have .nlb at the back. Tap on it in order to restore it. Now it will be restored. Like this, you can backup and restore on Niagara Launcher. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.